Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Ankita and it would mean a lot to me if you spare some of your second and subscribe to my channel. So today's video is all about backdrop ideas, which means I'm going to share some backdrop ideas by which you can get some good pictures using some cool backdrops. So instead of taking a lot of your time, let's get started.
For the first backdrop, I'm simply using a bed sheet, and for getting the pictures, I have my brother with me to help me out. Take some different colors of dupattas and place them on somewhere. Here I'm hanging my dupattas in a rope so that I get colorful background when I click my pictures. For this background, you don't need anything, you just need a wall and simply give poses and get beautiful pictures. So for the last one, I'm using different color of art papers.
So yes, thank you so much. It means a lot to me that you watch my videos. I hope you like this one. And that's it. So you know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also hit that on the bell icon so that you get notified every time when I upload a video. Bye bye.